Yeah, boom, baby. Today we unbox my new clutch kit, so I'm really excited about that. I'll finish taking off these clutch pieces and we'll check it out. So boom.
Hello guys, says get this 10,000 likes, like, get this 10,000 likes, bye.
All right guys, check out what I got. A little present from Rock Auto. Boom. Pull this bad boy like that. Woo! Bum, bum, bum. Check it out. A magnet. Cool. Parts order. Let's see. Open. Yes. Congratulations. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I like my new purchase. Wow. That looks so much better. So much better. Put that up there. Dang, it looks awesome. Look at that. Brand spanking new. I don't really know what all these things do. Oh, I think this is for the the clutch. Oh, that's how that goes on. Look at that. A little bit of that. Awesome. Excited for that. Check that bad boy out. Damn, it looks so much better. Man, this is definitely going to be so much better. It's insane. It's crazy what new parts can do to you. Look at that. All right, I think what I want to do is pull this tailgate open. And what do you think, Shy?
I want to be on your video.
You are? Of course you're on my video. So I think I'm going to pull this tailgate open. And we can mess with the thing back here. I think I just saw the tool I need. Right here. All right, so let's do that. All right, so I got to pull that side out. Then I got to pull this side out. There we go. Tailgate down. Whoa, am I missing one side?
Whoa, that looks like mine.
I had this. I could have swore I had that. That's a little weird.
Looks like mine.
All right, so here's the old one. Yeah, there's definitely a difference. It's crazy how much of a difference there is. This one definitely looks way more worn out. It's definitely the right part, which is cool. But you can definitely see. Wow. So awesome getting new car parts. But yeah, you can see how much different that is.
Guys.
So the thing I like about that kit is it came with basically everything. I still don't understand how you could tell if this is worn. Can you tell, Shy?
Yes. Guys, remember the first part? Go restart the video and give us 10,000 likes. Like.
Yeah.
So that's what I said, but I was just joking.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can replace this with a newer style, but I just got the exact same one. I'll be honest, this doesn't look that much different except for cleaned up. I'm sure there's a huge difference. Kind of the same here. I mean, even with the new one, it had these marks on it. So, I mean, I guess those are supposed to be there. Kind of interesting. But yeah, I bet you the springs are like super probably worn out on this. All right, so that's that. That's the old one. Old. Now let's take out that throwout bearing on the inside. I did notice with the oh, gotta take all this stuff off. All right, boom. It's so nice. I feel like I have so much more flexibility having this GoPro. I love it. I think I know how to take that thing off now. Oh, I should probably grab gloves. Luckily, it doesn't look like it's falling either. Let me make sure I'm recording it the right way. Yep. Yeah, so doesn't look like it's falling. Still good there. All right. I think I'll have Shy help. You want to help, Shy?
Yes.
Good.
Even this is my glove and this is broken.
Get some gloves.
This is broken. See?
It's all right.
This is a window.
That's a super easy fix if I wanted to. Come help me.
This closes.
Yeah, it sure does. Love having a truck. It's like an extra available workspace. I'm really puzzled on what happened to this piece though, because I know that. Am I taking crazy pills? I could have swore I had that. I wonder if it fell somewhere. All right, I'll be on the lookout for one of those pieces. It's crazy. Are you coming to help me?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna get.
There's bolts in there, and I was scared.
There's bolts in where? No, come on.
I want to show you.
Don't worry, come on, let's go. We're gonna climb in the truck, and we are going to get that throwout bearing out.
Yes.
So right over on that thing. But I'm gonna have you crawl in.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like it when you help Daddy. So I need you to climb up in, okay? You remember how to do that?
That's exactly, Father.
Good, good. Climb in, climb in. All right, Shy, you think you can climb over?
No, I'm so scared. I can't do this.
I'll help you, I'll help you.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Frankenstein card. And can you see my daddy's?
Yeah, Daddy's climbing in.
Daddy's climbing in.
Yeah.
Come on.
The mind of a 6-year-old. All right, so I got my holy gloves.
That was a zombie. Do not. That. Are zombies real? Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Frankenstein card. And can you see my daddy's?
Yeah, Daddy's climbing in.
Daddy's climbing in.
Yeah.
Come on.
The mind of a 6-year-old. All right, so I got my holy gloves.
That was a zombie. Do not. That. Are zombies real?
Just pull that bearing off. Oh, now I got a nice little step. Boom. Well, I was thinking too, let me see if I can push this transmission back into place to avoid any kind of falling situation. Maybe I can lift it. Dang, that thing is so heavy though. So I was looking at this piece right here with the new one. It looks like it's just got a couple clamps on the back. So I think we just have to pull those clamps off and that should pop off. That's what I'm thinking anyways. All right, so I think I should be able to just yank this bad boy off. How's these? Oh, it just sits on top of the clip. So you would think it should just pull off, right? Okay, yeah. Looks like the backside is still cut a little bit. Does this release it back here? Something's on it. What's still on it? Oh, maybe, I think what happened is maybe that came above the clip and the other one's probably still below the clip underneath. Let's see. Oh, man, I've got room under here, but it's definitely a little pinched. How do I get that thing off? I can't see it, of course. That always helps when you can't see it. Oh, what are these things that just spring up like that? All right, let's see if we can get the underset angle. Yeah, so this can't really, wait, okay, this is the far side. So yeah, it's still connected on that bottom piece. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Cool. So there's that. You can see it's just connected on the by these little tabs. I mean, doesn't feel horrible, but I'm sure it'll make a huge difference when this is replaced. Nice. What's this little piece for? Clearly not being used. Okay, cool. And now this fork's basically just sitting there, right? Is this connected to anything? Oh, yeah. So it's connected to this little lip right here. I think I'm just gonna leave that right there for now. But I'm definitely gonna either clean that up or swap it out. All right, cool. Well, we got it. That's it. Now we got this bad boy out. Add that to the little list of parts we're gonna swap. That thing's still sitting fine, so I'm gonna leave that there. And let's crawl out of this bad boy. All right, boom. I'm gonna put this with these other pieces. And there you go. It's kind of cool to see how it all comes together. I think I put that backwards. Huh. Is that how it goes? Oh, maybe that was it. I don't know. Maybe like that? No. Cool. Alright, boom, baby.
Thank you guys for watching.
Really do appreciate that. If you want to hit that little bell deal, if you want to hit the subscribe, boom, all those things. I will also leave a link for some of my friends at the end and in the description, so check them out. I did also find a really good video that explains the clutch and how it all works, and that was really helpful for me. So I will put that in the description also, and boom.